and I want you to slow down and stop the car about here. Excellent work. Now this is, keep your hand on the steering. This is very important for you to learn.
Yep.
And a lot of people don't understand this. We have got a temporary traffic light, and on there you have got a red board on the next to it. It's telling you two information there. Number one is saying 4-way control, and it's saying wait here until the green light shows. Now remember, some occasions maybe the traffic light is there, but the red board may be here. That means your stopping line is where the red board is. Red board is like your imaginary stopping line. So because the red board is next to it, we can went quite closer. Do you understand that? Now, 4-way traffic control, a lot of people don't know what that means. Usually you see the 3-way or 4-way on a junction like crossroad or roundabout. You can see we have got a mini roundabout in front of us. It has got 4 exits. First exit, second, third, and come back. The benefit of the 4-way control is that when one signal goes green, all other 3 lanes remains red. Now usually when you go left or right, you normally check right and ahead on the roundabouts. When it's controlled by the traffic light, you don't have to, but I would still do it once for the safety in case of any cyclists coming in. But rest be assured that once your signal goes green, no other cars will be coming from other direction though. Is that clear? Any problem, any confusion?
No.
And lastly, when the light goes amber, not green, amber, what must you do on amber light?
Prepare.
How would you prepare?
Check your mirrors and basically.
That's it. Check your mirrors. Keep your hand on the steering.
Sorry.
Don't be sorry. We're working as a team, remember? There is no sorry over here. You're working as a team. Just get it on. So, should I remind you for checking your mirrors on amber, or you can do this by yourself?
I believe or not,
Good. So we're going to be turning left over there. So while you were there, you can see the forward planning. You've got a 2 blue sign there telling you to use the other lane though. Road, so you could do forward planning while you're sitting here though, Always look inside the road you're turning into. Good, well done.